Is Gemini the safest crypto exchange? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Or, considering the crypto market, maybe it's the multi-million-dollar question. Everyone's looking for a safe harbor in the often turbulent seas of cryptocurrency trading. You're entrusting your hard-earned digital assets to these platforms, so security is paramount. And Gemini, with its reputation for regulatory compliance and security-first approach, often comes up in these conversations. But is it the safest? Let's dive deep and find out. First, let's establish a baseline. What even defines a safe crypto exchange? It's not just about preventing hacks, though that's obviously a huge part. It's a multi-layered concept encompassing several key areas. We need to look at security infrastructure, regulatory compliance, user experience, and even the company's track record and transparency. A truly safe exchange excels in all these aspects. Gemini has built its reputation on a foundation of security and regulatory compliance. They were one of the first exchanges to embrace regulation, working closely with authorities to obtain necessary licenses and operate within established legal frameworks. This proactive approach signals a commitment to transparency and accountability, which are crucial for building trust. They're regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, a demanding regulatory body, which adds another layer of oversight. Now, let's talk about the tech. Gemini emphasizes a security-first approach, and they've invested heavily in protecting user funds. They utilize a multi-layered security architecture, including cold storage for the majority of digital assets. Cold storage means keeping the cryptocurrencies offline, disconnected from the internet, making them virtually impervious to hacking attempts. Think of it like a digital vault. They also employ two-factor authentication, 2FA, for user accounts, which is a crucial step in preventing unauthorized access. 2FA adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password, requiring a second verification method, like a code from your phone, before you can log in or make transactions. Beyond these core security measures, Gemini also conducts regular security audits and penetration testing. These are essentially stress tests for their systems, designed to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This proactive approach to security is a hallmark of a responsible exchange. But technology is only part of the equation. Even the most secure platform can be compromised if users aren't vigilant. That's where user education comes in. Gemini provides resources and information to help users understand best practices for securing their accounts. Things like choosing strong passwords, enabling 2FA, and being wary of phishing scams are all crucial for individual security. Remember, the exchange can build the best vault, but you still need to use the right key and be careful about who you share it with. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. No exchange is completely immune to attacks. Hacks happen, even to the most well-defended platforms. While Gemini has a strong track record and hasn't suffered any major breaches, the possibility always exists. This is a reality of the crypto space. That's why diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your crypto on one exchange. Spreading your holdings across multiple reputable platforms can mitigate the risk of a single point of failure. Another important aspect to consider is insurance. Gemini offers insurance coverage for digital assets held in their custody. This provides an additional layer of protection in the unlikely event of a security breach. While insurance can't prevent a hack, it can help to reimburse users for any losses incurred. Beyond security, user experience also plays a role in overall safety. A confusing or cumbersome platform can lead to errors, which can potentially result in lost funds. Gemini is known for its relatively user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. A clean and intuitive design can help prevent accidental transactions or misinterpretations of information. Now, let's talk about the regulatory landscape. Gemini's commitment to regulatory compliance is a major plus. Operating within established legal frameworks provides a level of oversight and accountability that unregulated exchanges lack. This is crucial for building trust and ensuring the long-term stability of the platform. However, the regulatory landscape is constantly evolving, and exchanges need to adapt to stay compliant. Gemini's proactive approach to regulation suggests they're well-positioned to navigate these changes. So, is Gemini the safest crypto exchange? It's impossible to definitively say that any exchange is absolutely 100% safe. The crypto space is inherently risky, and new threats are constantly emerging. However, Gemini's strong focus on security, regulatory compliance, and user experience makes it a strong contender. Their track record speaks for itself. They've built a reputation for being a reliable and trustworthy platform. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Gemini is the right exchange for you is to do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. Explore the platform, read reviews, and compare it to other exchanges you're considering. Consider your own security needs and risk tolerance. No single exchange is perfect, and what's right for one person may not be right for another. Remember, security is an ongoing process, not a destination. Exchanges need to constantly adapt and improve their security measures to stay ahead of evolving threats. And users need to be vigilant about protecting their own accounts. By combining robust platform security with responsible user practices, we can all contribute to a safer crypto ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.